Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 31st of August till 6th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Let's see. 3 shuffles please for my Capricorns for the week 31st to 6th of September. At the back of the deck you have Ace of Swords. So this is telling me that you were waiting for some kind of clarity, and right now finally you are getting that clarity if you were waiting for any. So this is like clouds getting disappeared around you, all the fadeness, all the fog getting disappeared. Okay, so this is that thing that at least you are getting to know whatever the thing was in your past. So it is coming up in the light. Okay, so it's coming to the limelight. So let's see your past energy with the Justice, the Hangman, and Two of Rods. There was a hanging on spirit for a lot of time, and it was like you were in a place where you couldn't decide what to do, because all you were feeling was that you were, there was injustice for you. Whatever you were feeling, injustice might have happened to you. So that is why you were feeling that way, and you were analyzing, you were asking for answers that what actually happened, because you felt that you were not justified enough. Whatever your questions were, they were not justified. The answers were not able, the answers which you get, they were not justifiable. So your present energies are 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles, and 8 of Cups. So now when you started to get that clarity, you actually started to ask your family, ask your friends, like talking around and basically thinking about that particular thing, and being busy as well. I'm really getting that you are in a very different mode now. The answers now, you don't even care about those things because you are moving on. So you don't care about those things now anymore. You are busy, you are happy with your family now. Whatever the questions were unanswered to you. The future energies are King of Pentacles, Death, and 10 of Rods. So this is telling me that some things are really coming to an end over here with the Death over here. But with the 10 of Wands, it is like, a very pressurized ending. When you are pressurized to do something, when you are pressurized. So this might be, you might be some other person in your life with whom you are dealing with. Someone is actually pressurizing someone that you have to do this, like the way I'm telling you. With the King of Pentacles, this might be a Taurus, but might be older to you. Someone older to you, might be your dad, your siblings, whatever, your older person. So someone is telling you and pressurizing you to really, if I'm telling you to do this, you have to do that. So that is the thing. All right, let's see why the Ace of Swords is here in your overall energy. Hangman and 6 of Wands. So it is telling me that at least you are so much, if you have given so much of time in thinking, so at least finally you have attained that place, attained that situation where you actually found the clarity, plus you have achieved it, plus you have, you received it in a very successful way. So this is a very temporary success basically with the Six of Wands. So this is a very small step taken ahead, small celebration kind of a thing, because you have a long way to go. So do not just stop over here. And if something is really coming to on the surface, so just do not stick on that particular thing. Go on, go deep within whatever you want to find, whatever you are asking for. Go deep within it, because this is really temporary and you have to work more for this situation. Let's see why the Justice is here in your past energies. Why Justice is here? Ten of Cups. So this might be regarding some family issue, where some kind of a court issue with your family, with might be a marriage or something. So this is regarding that in your past. Like why, like how the hell it happened. So that questions were actually coming up. So with this Page of Swords as well, so a lot of researching has been done in this situation from your side or from other end side. A lot of investigation has been done. So things were not so easy, not so normal as it looked. There is a lot inside. Let's see why the Hangman is here. Why the Hangman is here in your past energies. Three of Cups. Okay, so you were actually analyzing that whether a third person was involved. Like what was the issue? Like if it's an issue between two people, so whether a third person was involved in between our fight. Like when two people, when conflict arises between two people, so you always start to think that what actually happened. Like was it just the two of us which was a problem, or it was something else? So there might be someone who was telling that you should basically to the other party. I'm seeing that a person was telling that person that this is not going good and you should just break it up, whatever situation is this. Like if you were involved in some kind of partnership over here with someone, so a third party entered in this situation and provoked the other person to take a step like that. Alright, so let's see why the Two of Pentacles is here in your present situation. The World, Five of Swords. So manipulations, a lot of manipulations, a lot of deception was here, is still here. And you might be even not looking at those things right now, but they are actually going on, still going on. So people are not ready to to end the conflict. So basically a whole world is involved in this particular thing to end. And when you actually want to end it, but someone does not want. But seriously, mind you, there is a lot of deception in the situation. So if the other party is not able to end the situation, so this might be something really fishy in that thing. So don't think that other person loves you or something. This is more about the bad thoughts which the other person has for you. Okay, so let's see why the Eight of Cups is here in your present energies. Eight of Cups, please. Queen of Pentacles. So this is you, see. So you are really working like a person. So you are more focused on yourself, I'm seeing. More focused on your energies, more focused on the people whom you actually love and who love you actually. So you are moving away from the situation. That is really good, because at some place that this thing didn't serve you right, and that is why you just let it go. And you're working, and see how beautifully this lady is standing over here. She is very determined, so she knows where to focus her energies on right now. That is really good. Oh, King of Pentacles is also here. Let's see why the King of Pentacles is here. Ace of Cups. All right. So might be you're dealing with a Taurus over here with a new beginning. All right. Someone is coming towards you, Capricorns. Mm-hmm. With a very beautiful new beginning, like a proposal or something. Let's see why the Death is here. Six of Pentacles. What else do we have? And Knight of Cups. So see, I'm really getting that the past, the work, whatever the past was, if you were involved in a situation or with a person, those things, they actually take time. Okay, so they are still in the process, but in the same process something else is coming up for you with the Knight of Pentacles. So as soon as the thing will end in your life, some kind of a proposal I'm really getting, a very stable proposal from someone else, or this might be a new job offer, something related to your NGO work, related to something which you actually, you want to invest your energies in. So that kind of a proposal is coming towards you, I'm getting, as soon as the thing will end. So just stay calm till then. Let's see why the Ten of Rods is here in your future energies. Four of Pentacles with the Five of Pentacles. So this thing, whomsoever a person, if a person is pressurizing you, if you are like, okay, so I have to take a step, whatever that step is, at least at the end you have decided to let it go. Okay, so there is separation, if it involves separation, and with the separation there is like holding on to the separation. Okay, so this is not a feel, this is not an energy which says that I want to go back to that toxic place. No, you do not want to go over there as well. So you are very determined, Capricorns, this time. I have really get a lot of coins energy today, a lot, many. So you are determined in your work, in whatever situation you are in. If it is a separation which has to happen, it will happen. If not, it will not. So it's all up to you. It's your mind who actually knows what to do. It's you who knows what to do. Alright, so that is all from my side, Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.